Welcome back. We are covering number 20 of 25 tips to become a better driver. Again, I shared with you already why I'm developing this series after a trip to and from Florida that we just completed this past spring break with my family. And again, it's just good reminders. Want to keep everybody safe, get you home to your families and loved ones, and keep other people safe as well. And these are just a few reminders slash pet peeves. I'm not going to lie. But again, I think it's just a good, helpful reminder. Maybe it's not you. Maybe you know of somebody who could use this. So feel free to share the video, share the playlist, which is also linked in the description of the video here. And before we get started, I just want to take a minute and celebrate all 40 of the subscribers on the channel. We just hit a milestone here, and it may not seem like a lot, right? 40 subscribers. But guess where we started from? We started from zero. And so Free Advice from Your Uncle, we started from zero with YouTube channel subscribers. And we just recently this week hit number 40. So thank you to who number 40 is. And thank you to all 40 of you. I really appreciate it. Again, I know there's channels out there that have millions of people, subscribers. Again, it'd be great if we got there. But if we don't, I appreciate the folks that are here in the early going and supporting us. And again, it's a grind, right? You got to keep going. It's one of the things I keep telling people is to not give up, right? I have this channel, Free Advice from Your Uncle, and then I also have Small Biz Shout Out, which only has 11 subscribers right now. So if you want some business advice versus just more of the work and work-life advice here, I'd encourage you to check that channel out as well. It's Small Biz Shout Out, and you can search for that on YouTube and find that as well. But anyway, I appreciate all of you subscribing and letting YouTube know that somebody's listening and people are following. So you guys are the foundation. You're the building blocks. So I appreciate you. So before we get going, though, again, if you're not part of that 40 and want to be part of the 50 club, I want to encourage you to hit the subscribe button. Let YouTube know that you appreciate the channel and that you're following it, and then hit the thumbs up which is the like button. Let YouTube know that you like it, and you can comment and let me know if you like it or don't like it. I know this video is probably going to offend some folks who are the perpetrators of these driving tips, but that's okay. That's why I'm here. Let Uncle Paul do the hard work for you. So feel free to, like I said, to pass this video series on to somebody who can use it, and we're going to go ahead and get started with number 20. Don't drive in blind spots. So a lot of these really come back to paying attention while you're driving, right? And I know a lot of times you'll get to just thinking about something that happened at work or at home, or and it's easy to get distracted, or you're listening to something on the radio or on a podcast or something, and you it's easy to just kind of not pay attention, just get into that zone. But a lot of times you might find yourself driving in people's blind spots, and that's horrible, because if you're driving in someone's blind spot, there's a higher chance that they won't see you when they go to make a turn, right? Or if they go to merge or do something. And, if they can't necessarily see you in their rear view mirror or by turning their heads, which is something else you should also be doing before you make a move on the road, right? It just increases the chance of, something bad happening, right? So it takes two, right? It takes people making sure that they're looking, but it also requires that you not just cruise in someone's blind spot. I'm not very happy when somebody's just sitting there in my blind spot, and either make a move and pass me or fall back, and I'll put my blinker on to signal for long periods of time, and they're just sitting there, because they're off daydreaming, and so it hurts and crushes the flow of traffic, but it's just also really, really dangerous. So I want to encourage you to make a commitment, either go ahead and pass or slow back. And in fact, you shouldn't be in someone's blind spot anyway. You should be in that middle lane if possible. And this is freeway driving we're talking about for the most part. But even on side streets, on those busier side streets that have multiple lanes, try not to drive in people's blind spots. Either be right next to them, ahead of them, or far enough back where they can see you in the rear view mirror. So again, just general safety courtesy and general safety tips that you can use to prevent accidents and hopefully help everybody get back home sooner and quicker and safer, and then also save some money on your insurance. The fewer accidents you have, the better insurance you're going to have. So again, I don't have any sponsors here. So, if there's a big insurance company out there that wants to sponsor me, let me know. We'll do another driving tips and then go from there. So, but anyway, that's going to do it for this video. And again, do me a favor. Again, appreciate all 40 of you that have subscribed to Free Advice from Your Uncle. You are valued, and I do appreciate you. Tell people about this, share these videos. And so if you haven't, though, if you're back and multiple times, it's time to commit to Uncle Paul and commit to free advice from your uncle, and click the subscribe button. Also, it lets YouTube know that, people are watching, which helps me ultimately, and helps other people get these videos get distributed on YouTube. Click the thumbs up, which lets YouTube know that you like what you heard. And even if it applies to you, you can be mad for a minute, but come on back and hit the like button. And then click the alert button to be notified of future content. So thanks for stopping by, and we'll talk to you on the next video.